welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JQ. Today I'll be making a diabetic vanilla pound cake for my grandmother. She has diabetes and she asked me if I can make her a pound cake, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. I was a little intimidated at first, but I'm just like, you know what, I can do this, I got this. So comment and subscribe, and let's get to this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so these are all the ingredients that we'll be needing. We have our sour cream, our flour, our Splenda, our eggs, butter, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt. The milk will be for the glaze. That will be optional if you want to have some cake glaze on there. Then you have your pan cooking spray and your cake pan. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the dry ingredients out the way. So we're going to have 3 cups of flour, and then we're going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And when we get done with that, we will set that to the side, and then we will start working on our cake batter. So you're going to stir it up, make sure everything is well combined, set it to the side, and now let's start working on our cake batter. So now we're going to add 3 sticks of butter at room temperature, and then you're going to add your 3 cups of Splenda. Now that that's done, we're going to mix everything together with your hand mixer, or you can use a stand mixer, whichever one you have. Next, you're going to add your 5 eggs, one at a time. You add 1 egg in there, and then you're going to blend well, and then you're going to add the other eggs. Now we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you mix well. Then we're going to repeat this step 3 times. You're going to add 1 cup of your flour mixture and then 1/4 cup of sour cream. And then you're going to mix it and you're going to repeat this step 3 times. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and add your last bit of flour and your 1/4 cup of sour cream. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and continue mixing. And that's it, guys. So next you're going to spray your pan very well. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Pour your cake batter in there evenly. And we're going to let this cake bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And after 1 hour, you know what? No, it's not 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's just 1 hour. We're going to let it bake for 1 hour. And after the hour is up, we will take the cake out. Now that the hour is up, we're going to take our cake out. Yeah, and there you guys go. And our final presentation. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other way you know how to make this cake, please comment down below. Thank you. Bye.